Let's see where we might find some mussels. Okay, so there's some mussel beds out here, but they're kind of far inland. I just don't want to. I want to make sure that they're not dried out. I'm probably making this more difficult than I need to, but I want to get them off this shelf here since it's facing the tide, and I feel like they'll get the most sort of water circulation. So here they are. Let's see what we can get. Really put your body into it. And yeah, it makes it a little easier. Man, some of these are pretty hardcore, my goodness. And you can see there's still like a bunch down there, so far, I would guess that's about, I don't know, 6-7 pounds. These have already been through one rinse. Basically just tried to get some of the barnacles off. And I'm going to debeard them and then rinse them again. And then I put them in here, which is salt water, so they can further purge their sand. So this is typical mussel with a pretty big beard. This one's got a little bit of a seaweed growing on it. So typically I just take these pliers and try to remove what I can from the mussel. And then the beard, you just gotta get a good grip of it. This is a pretty big one. And try to pull it out. Now what I've found is that when you pull it to the front, they tend to come out a little easier, but this one, the membrane, you may not get it. Oh, there you go. So, got this one fully out. And then I just try to take whatever I can off of the shell because we're going to be boiling this, and whatever's on the shell is going to get into the broth. There you have it. Parsley. Tell me what you think. Good? Mm-hmm.